Welcome to Understand the Math. In this question, we're asked to find a unit vector in the direction of vector v. Let's begin with a formula. A unit vector in the direction of a vector v is going to be u is equal to v divided by the magnitude of v. Dividing a vector by its magnitude gives the vector a length of 1. Let's begin by finding the magnitude. So the magnitude of a vector is just the square root of all the entries in the vector squared. So we have a minus 2 squared plus 6 squared plus a 3 squared. This gives us the square root of 4 plus 36 plus 9, and that's equal to the square root of 49, which is equal to 7. Our unit vector in the direction of our vector v then is just going to be the components of v divided by 7. So we have a minus 2 over 7, a 6 over 7, and a 3 over 7. And that's our unit vector in the direction of vector v.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.